One of the most complex engineering projects ever attempted in the Middle East is now underway in the waters of Doha Bay in Qatar. This incredible megaproject is truly unlike anything else on the planet. The architectural masterpiece, known as the Doha Sharq crossing, will reshape the Doha skyline, permanently transforming the city. The crossing, which is part bridge and part tunnel, will link Doha's Hamad International Airport to Qatar's primary social center, Katara Cultural Village in the north, and West Bay's core business sector. At the moment, the progress on the project has been put on hold, but it still has massive transformational potential. In this video, we'll look at what makes this gigantic engineering megaproject unique, as well as when we may anticipate the Doha Sharq crossing to open. But before we continue, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you can be the first to learn more about incredible multi-billion-dollar megaprojects from all over the world. The Qatari government was eager for famous architect Santiago Calatrava's megaproject to begin building after the Swiss-Spanish construction artist and engineer unveiled the ideas in 2011. After the designs were revealed, the Qatari government realized that the ride via Sharq crossing and its linking bridges in Doha Bay would undoubtedly provide one of the most magnificent experiences accessible to motorists in the world today. The approval of this multi-billion-dollar project is thought to be a reflection of the country's confidence in its long-term prosperity, particularly as local construction firms would earn new work as a result. The project is also expected to generate thousands of new employment, both directly and indirectly. The billion-dollar Sharq crossing project will be divided into 3 sections that will be linked by an underwater tunnel. The 3 Sharq crossing bridges will be 600 to 1,310 meters long, as described in the original plan. They will link Doha's Hamad International Airport to Katara Cultural Village in the city's north and the West Bay Financial District in the city's south. The Qatari government has allocated 90 billion Qatari riyals, or 21.2 billion euros, in the national budget for key projects. MEAD, the Middle East's top business intelligence agency, put the cost of Sharq crossing alone at $12 billion. According to government officials, the landmark is destined to reshape Doha's skyline forever and create a new iconic global structure, much like the Burj Khalifa in Dubai or Sydney Opera House in Australia. It is projected that 6,000 cars per hour would be able to utilize and drive via Sharq crossing. This would make commuting simpler and relieve pressure on the Corniche beachfront road, which will also be renovated and enlarged. This vital transportation connection has a one-of-a-kind blend of economical subterranean construction and distinctive architecture. Calatrava's plans for Qatar's Ministry of Municipality and Urban Planning varied from the tunnel-only solution originally proposed, instead providing a version with a bridge at each of the tunnel system's 3 ends. Each bridge is linked to the transportation system by a small underpass tunnel under the coastal region. The plans depict the bridges rising from the shore before sinking into the sea to connect with the main road tunnel. This enables each bridge to stand alone as a sculpture with its own personality, a kind of response to the nearby metropolitan skyline. The 3 bridges and 2 tunnels span around 12 kilometers. The marine interchange is of special importance as a difficult subterranean junction, according to experts at the construction firm Tunnel Engineering Consultants, which worked on project preparation. The most advanced component, the West Bay Bridge, will feature the world's biggest arch span and will link the beach to the marine interchange. According to design firm Calatrava, the tunnel lengths were maintained low in order to decrease cross-section and excavation needs. Long-term maintenance costs are also kept to a minimum by adopting relatively basic mechanical systems, notably for ventilation and smoke extraction. The road forms an island whenever it rises and descends and is surrounded by water. The eastern island is expanded to create a type of belvedere, with tiered floors and roofs that provide room for a variety of leisure activities as well as a marina. The West Bay Bridge will include a park and restaurants on both levels. Visitors may either walk along the park-like glass walkway or take a funicular cable car over the bridge, where they can enjoy the stunning landscape from a personal observation chamber 125 meters above sea level. The Al Sharq Bridge, which gave the project its name, is envisioned as a tubular structure that spans the inlet near Doha's new airport. When visitors first arrive in the city, this could be how they get a breathtaking first glimpse of Doha's skyline. Calatrava saw the preservation of the whole coastline environment in the Doha district as a vital aspect of the proposal and wanted the building to work in harmony with nature. And there's little doubt about it. The delicate white building, with its bright pathways and slim form in the water, is stunning. As mentioned earlier, construction paused on this project as Qatar made more efforts to focus on the 2022 FIFA World Cup. However, the project is expected to be relaunched soon. The hopeful schedule is that by the middle of the decade, all of the bridges and tunnels will be completed. Unfortunately, some experts feel that this project may never be fully completed in its original structure as parts of the route that run under and above the water are still prone to flooding. This is because the route travels through underwater tunnels and across open bridges, surrounded by a mass of water. This potential flooding challenge is a problem that still requires more technical, engineering and design solutions that have yet to be developed. However, one thing is certain. If this megaproject is finished in its entirety over the next few years, it will permanently reshape Qatar and Doha Bay, transforming this little country into an iconic global destination with one of the most famous structures in the world today. So, what are your thoughts? Do you think Qatar will forever be transformed by the Doha Sharq crossing when the project is complete? Let us know your thoughts about this megaproject in the comments down below. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell and make sure to give us a like. We will see you in the next video.